we are looking the step of folding the Brompton. Step 1, always get the left side pedal further. Next step, twist the handlebar, get the rear tire end. Step 3, the hinge clamp, loosen it. Whenever you're getting the tires end, the axle hook, what is called the axle hook, sits at the chainstay at this part. Step 4, the hinge clamp of the handlebar or the stem. Let the handlebar drop in. Then slide the seat post inside. The last step, fold the pedal. Step of a Brompton, unfold. Step 1, always tap on the handlebar over here. Then tighten the hinge clamp. Step 2, slide the seat post above. Step 3, open the front handlebar and tighten the hinge clamp. Whenever you are opening the front handlebar, make sure the tire is slightly at the sidewards. Then lift the seat post and push it in. Then unlock the pedals. So to unfold the Brompton pedal, slide it out, and to fold the Brompton pedal back, you see the Brompton logo, turn the pedals left, slide it in, and you're done.